Hola, buenos días, ¿cómo están? Today we're gonna learn about feminine and masculine in Spanish. Hoy vamos a aprender femenino y masculino en español. Recuerden suscribirse. Don't forget to subscribe to receive the next class. Remember, we have every Wednesday classes in Spanish in this channel. Tenemos todos los miércoles, clases en nuestro canal. Hoy comenzamos con masculino y femenino. Today we're going to continue with masculine and feminine. In Spanish, we have gender in almost all the nouns. All the nouns have genders, or feminine or masculine. Las palabras femeninas y masculinas, masculine and female nouns. Okay. Everybody knows in Spanish the words ending in O are masculines, okay? But I'm gonna say it's not always, okay? Most of the time, 90% could be, or maybe less, but not always, please remember, no siempre, okay? Or like a libro, teléfono, we have the verb, masculine, see, libro, teléfono. And in feminine, we have the nouns ending in a, like mesa, silla. In those cases are feminine. Today we're gonna learn also when it's not feminine. But also we have nouns ending in a. In that case, we need to be careful and be focused which nouns or which words normally we use in our vocabulary, because it's half and a half. Half of them are masculine and the other are feminine, of course. Puente, fuente. Okay. Remember, most of the time, ending in O is masculine, ending in A is feminine. E endings in E could be masculine or feminine. The point to remember that is when you have nouns ending in O, it's easier in that way. You only need to remember, memorize, and practice the nouns ending in O and are not masculine, are feminine. Could be easier for you. The same happened with A. When ending in A, you can assume it's feminine, but you need to practice and remember and memorize the nouns are not, okay? There are less than you need to know all the nouns, okay? It's too much. Unfortunately, with E, we don't have that. With E, we need to practice and remember. All the times I recommend my students, okay, focus which vocabulary normally you're gonna use, okay? Because if you're a doctor, you need to be familiar with the nouns regarding your career, okay? But if you're an artist, it's not because you don't care, but it's not necessary you need to know all the nouns the other careers use, okay? However, it's important to know, the general knowledge about the nouns, okay? Well, you need to pre-practice those, and we have here very important information. You can read it in reference, and the noun in Spanish are the vos, means if the noun is masculine, the articles, the adjective, all regarding that noun need to be the same gender. That the verse doesn't qualify in that because the verse depends on which person is, if it's yo, tú, él, ella, nosotros, vosotros, ellos, ustedes, etc. The noun, no, the only noun need to know the person, the people. If it's the first, the second, the third person, is in singular and plural. Well, we're gonna focus this later, but here the most important thing is remember everything needs to be the same gender the noun has. For example, we have libro, libro. When we have libro, the articles need to be masculine. The adjective in this case is a color. You need to put also in masculine. The noun is singular, means all next to them need to be in singular too. El libro rojo. Okay, remember, we use a lot of articles in Spanish, okay? But we have here feminine, mesa, means you need to say la mesa roja. Rojo, roja, because this is masculine and this is feminine. The same happened here with libro. Libro, masculine, un, pequeño, masculine. Mesa, the same, una, pequeña. Okay. Very important to practice. And remember, focusing your alphabet and your pronunciation with your vowels. Ah, okay, roja, short. The same happen with rojo. Don't say rojo, okay, rojo, rojo. Okay, please practice this. And here, we're going to see now the practice. We're going to see also some nouns that look like a feminine, but is not feminine, are masculine, and vice versa too. Which are the cases? We have here one very important, silla. Silla, everybody use silla. Feminine, a, yeah, it's feminine in this case. Persona, what do you think is feminine or masculine? Ending in a. If you say la or una persona, you got it, it's correct. Actually, you need to say una because it's a ya. Una persona, great, perfect. Okay, ending in a. Mesa, mesa. What do you think ending in a? If feminine or masculine? Remember, most of the time, ending in a is feminine, ending in o is masculine. In this case, is mesa, what do you think? Una or un mesa? That's true. In this case, is feminine also, okay? Una mesa. The same happen with libro. Ending in o most of the time, it's masculine, libro. If it's masculine, what do you think? Will be un libro or una libro? Also correct, is un libro. Un libro is masculine. Okay, we have here una, a. We have here una, and here is o. Un libro masculine, okay? Un libro. Una persona. Una mesa. Now, here it's going to be a little complicated now. We have here mapa. Mapa. Ending in a. Okay, if I'm correct, if it's ending in a, it to be feminine. But in this case, remember that it's un mapa. It's masculine. Okay, un mapa. Mapa is masculine. Tía Olga, we don't use any more mapa. I don't think so, okay? You have Google Map, el mapa de Google, el mapa de Waze, ¿sí? El mapa de Apple, el mapa de Android, and de Samsung, etc. Okay, mapa. Masculino, un mapa. Ciudad, okay, what happened here? Ciudad. Okay, doesn't end in a or o or e, ending in consonant d. Okay, but they gave you a little clue here. Okay, hint here for you. A, feminine or masculine. In this case, it's feminine. Una ciudad. ¿Sí? Una ciudad. Perfect. Pregunta. Pregunta, feminine or masculine? What do you think? That's correct. Una pregunta. Also, if you practice since the first class to the, from this channel, you know, in the instructional words, we learned tengo una pregunta, okay? I mean, you still practice that, you say it's una, okay? Because it's feminine. Tengo una pregunta, I have a question. And here, pared, okay, pared, ending in E. Well, this is half and a half. Okay, I don't have clue what is that, but try to guess. What do you think, pared? Could be feminine or masculine? Gonna give you time. Well, is feminine. Una pared. Una pared. Okay? Okay. Please practice. We're gonna go back here. Remember, ending in O is masculine most of the time. Feminine is ending in A most of the time, but with the nouns ending in E, is half and a half. I forget to mention here, for example, puente, puente. Puente is masculine, el puente. But if you say fuente, this is feminine, la fuente, la fuente. Please practice. If you have any question, write in the comments. Escriban en los comentarios. ¿Sí? Escriban en los comentarios si tienen alguna pregunta. If you have any question about that, please write down in the comments. Bueno, esto fue todo por hoy. Again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to receive every Wednesday a new class. And nos vemos en clase. Nos vemos pronto en clase. Hasta la próxima.